Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to always announce incoming calls on your iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also let me show you guys first that I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.4 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back again. So in order to always announce incoming calls on your iPhone, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to scroll down to phone. So let me go over there. So here I have this phone, so you have to tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this, and you can see I have this phone, this is screen opened, and you have to come to this section, allow phone to access. And in this section you have to go to this option, announce calls. So currently I have this option selected, never. So just tap on this announce calls, and you can see I have this announce calls, and this is screen opened. And you can see guys here we have four options: always, headphones and car, headphones only, and never. So currently I have this never, this option selected. You can see the check mark next to this never. Never announce incoming calls. So in order to always announce incoming calls on your iPhone, you have to select this first option, that is always. So just tap on this to select it. So I am tapping on it, and you can see this option is now selected. You can see always announce incoming calls. So from now on, when you get a call and if the number is saved in your contacts list, your iPhone will announce the name of the person who is calling. So it's now done guys, and if I go back, you can see announce calls and it is selected to always. After that you can close this, a settings app. So let me close that. So that's it. In this way, you can easily always announce incoming calls on your iPhone running iOS version 14.4. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.